query that's coming on our website next. Rakesh Kumar says that he wants to buy a 2 BHK apartment in either NH24 Ghaziabad or Noida Extension. His budget is around 25 lakh rupees. He wants suggestions of locations with good future appreciation. He has shortlisted Amatra Homes at Sector 10, Greater Noida West, and Aditya World City at NH24 in Ghaziabad. Which one should he choose? Jayashree, we're getting a lot of Ghaziabad and Noida Extension questions now. Looking at that, one would say that the NCR market is going through a lull.
Kavita, I think the NCR market is actually, it's just a 1% to 2% rise, but I think the quality of queries have improved, which means that people are more or less ready to purchase. And you know that the markets have actually settled down almost to rock bottom. Have they hit the bottom? I don't know. You only know that once it starts rising, but I think it's very close to the bottom. So the serious end users have started coming in and they have started looking for properties. Now the important thing is that Ghaziabad and Greater Noida and Noida Extension are the kind of budgets that people, the end user can afford, and these are markets with high prospects, and I'll tell you why. One, Ghaziabad, especially the NH24, is just a road away, just a highway away from Noida, which has all the social infrastructure, all the good schools, the hospitals, the workplaces. They are all in Noida, and therefore Ghaziabad, especially near the NH24, is in high demand with with those who want to live there and stay work close by. The Greater Noida areas, the metro work is happening so rapidly that you know that this is affordable today, need not be affordable tomorrow. Therefore, end users are looking at it seriously. The metro is a great driver across the NCR, and therefore I think these markets are seeing a lot of traction. Now, coming to his specific question, Amatra Homes is ready for possession and it is ready to move in, and you're getting roughly about 23 to 36 lakh. This is the budget to buy in Amatra Homes. You're looking at Aditya World City. This is under construction, and our prop index shows that anything that is ready for possession is actually trading much better and has much greater traction with the users than anything under construction, because under construction properties, you don't know how soon it's going to get completed. So your choice is more or less between, should I buy under construction or ready to move in? Should I buy Ghaziabad or Greater Noida? I think Ghaziabad's prospects are immediately, you can move in and live there, but I think the project is not ready yet. The Greater Noida project is complete, but the metro is underway and it will take another year, I think, year or year and a half before that line gets active.
Okay. So essentially you're saying that if you want to play safe, then you should go with Greater Noida, but if you're prepared to wait, go with Ghaziabad. Is that what you're telling me?
That's right.
Right. And let me just explain the chart that we put up for you on the screen. This is, of course, the Noida market, not Greater Noida or Ghaziabad, but this is precisely what Jayashree was trying to explain over here. The yellow line is showing you the prices of ready-to-move-in properties in this market. The green line on the prop index is showing you the prices of under construction properties, and look at the difference. Under construction properties are priced somewhere around 4,782 rupees per square foot. 5,411 rupees per square foot, meanwhile, is the price that you would have to pay if you were to buy a ready-to-move-in property in Noida. However, do remember, you've factored in the risk over there. You can move into that house and stay happy over there, knowing that you have a home that is yours and you have a roof over your head.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.